Morning children, this is Venugopal for Vikrant Publishers with Hindi Book 3 and Lesson 6. In this lesson children, what we are going to learn is Vyanjanon ki matraएं. What are called Vyanjan in English? Consonants. Earlier in the previous classes children, we have learnt मात्राएं. किसकी मात्राएं? स्वर की मात्राएं. We have learnt the symbols of vowels. In this lesson, we are going to learn the symbols of consonants. Okay, children, they are called Vyanjanon ki matraएं. Vyanjano means English consonants. Consonants, what kind of symbols are used to refer to consonants? అంటే ఒత్తులు ఏవైతే కాన్సోనెంట్స్ హల్లులు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి ఒత్తులు ఎలా రాస్తారు ఇప్పుడు నేర్చుకుందాము. ఇది మొదటి అక్షరం క. ఈ వ్యంజనంలో మొదటి అక్షరం ఏంటి? క. దాని ఒత్తు ఇలా రాస్తారు. పూర్తిగా రాయం అక్కడ. దాన్ని ఏమని ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేస్తాము? క. ఓకే, మక్కీ లైక్ దట్, ఖ. అండ్ ది సింబల్ ఈజ్ లైక్ దిస్, ఖ. సో ద ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ ఈజ్ ఖ. గ. The symbol is this, pronunciation is ga. Gha, symbol is this, gha is pronunciation. Cha, symbol, cha, pronunciation. Cha, cha symbol, cha pronunciation. Cha, cha symbol, cha pronunciation. Ja, next letter, ja is the symbol, ja is the pronunciation. Jha, ottu jha. దానికి ఒత్తు రాయాలంటే ఇలా రాస్తాము, ఝ. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ దేర్? ఝ. ట, ట సింబల్, ట ఈజ్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్. ఠ, ఒత్తు ఠ. ఠ సింబల్, ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ ఈజ్ ఠ. డ, డ సింబల్, డ ఈజ్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్. ఢ, ఒత్తు ఢ. అండ్ ఢ సింబల్ ఈజ్ దిస్, ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ ఈజ్ ఢ, డిహెచ్ఏ. ఓకే. Next, you see ana. What is the symbol of ana? This one. Means we don't write fully there. Only one part we write there. That is pronounced as ana. Ta. When you write a symbol of ta, it should be written like this. Okay. Pronunciation is ta. Ta. After that, tha. Ottu tha. I told you there you should not write full letter there. See, only half. This is the symbol of the consonant tha, pronounced as tha. The pronunciation the. Dha, ottu dha. The symbol is dha, this one. The pronunciation is dha. Na, this is the symbol. Na is the pronunciation. Okay? We repeat. Ka, symbol. Kha, symbol, this one. Ga, gha. Cha, cha. Ja, jha. Ta, tha. Da, dha. Ana. Ta, tha. Da, dha. Na. These are the symbols of some consonants. Whatever we have written there on this is a consonant Vyanjan. A matra means what? Symbol. Vyanjan, matra. Vyanjan, matra. The symbols. Yes. Let us learn some more symbols of the remaining consonants. Okay. The next letter in the alphabet is pa. Ta, ta, da, dha, na, pa. The matra symbol is this. Fa, symbol, matra. Ba, symbol is written like this. These are the symbols of consonants. Vyanjanon ki matraएं we are learning. Bha, the symbol is like this. Ma, the symbol is like this. Ya, ra. You can write two ways. The symbol of ra can be written like this or like this. Both are correct. La, the symbol is this. Va, the symbol is like this. Sha, only half letter is written there. Sha. symbol, sa symbol, ha symbol, ksha, that is the symbol, ajna symbol. Okay, these are the consonants. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, ksha, jna. Tra, the symbol is this one only, so tra is not written there. Ksha, tra, jna, we generally write. So correct pronunciation is very important, children. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, ksha, jna. And whatever written here, matra, these are the symbols. Learn these symbols. When you write the words there, when you have to write the words, when the teacher gives a dictation to you, if you remember these matra, if you remember these symbols, children, you can easily write the words without mistakes. Okay? In the next page, page number 13, you can see व्यंजनों के वर्गीकरण के अनुसार संयुक्त अक्षर. These consonants are made into 5 groups. వర్గీకరణ అంటే క్లాసిఫైడ్ అంటే 5 వర్గాలుగా విభజించారు. వేటిని? ఈ కాన్సోనెంట్స్ని, వ్యంజన్. కా వర్గాలు ఏమున్నాయి? కా, ఖ, గ, ఘ, ఇஞ. లుక్ ఎట్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 13 చిల్డ్రన్. కా వర్గ్, కా, ఖ, గ, ఘ, ఇஞ. చా వర్గ్, చా, ఛ, జ, ఝ, ఇణి. టా వర్గ్, టా, ఠ, డ, ఢ, ణ. తా వర్గ్, తా, థ, ద, ధ, న. పా వర్గ్, ప, ఫ, బ, భ, మ. అంతః, స్థ, య, ర, ల, వ. ఊష్మ, శ, ష, స, హ. These are the groups into which consonants are divided in Hindi. Okay, children? Yes, now see, look at the children. Ka varga, cha varga, ta varga, ta varga, pa varga. व्यंजनों से वर्गीकरण के अनुसार संयुक्त अक्षर. का वर्ग में क्या होता है? का, ख, ग, घ, इञ. चा वर्ग में चा, छ, ज, झ, इणि. टा वर्ग में टा, ठ, ड, ढ, ण. ता वर्ग में ता, थ, द, ध, न. पा वर्ग में पा, फ, ब, भ, म. These are the 5 groups of words into which the consonants are divided. Antastha, ya, ra, la, va. Antastha, ya, ra, la, va are called antasthava. Ushma, sha, sha, sa, ha called, these 4 letters are called ushma. Like this, व्यंजनों के वर्गीकरण के अनुसार संयुक्त अक्षर. Now let us go to the abhyas, exercise. Okay children, let us do some exercise here. Not a physical exercise, exercise from the lesson. पहले प्रश्न में 2 अक्षरों से बनने वाले 3 शब्द लिखिए. You are asked to write 3 letter words. इस अभ्यास में चिल्ड्रन 2 अक्षरों से बने 3 शब्द लिखना है. 3 अक्षरों से बने 3 शब्द, 4 अक्षरों से बने 3 शब्द. 2 letter words we have to write 3. We have learned in this lesson only. That's an exercise for you. Whether you remember it or not, you will get in the question paper like that. 2 अक्षरों से बनने वाले 3 शब्द लिखिए. Write 3 2 letter words. For example, घर 2 letters. Nut 2 letters. Like that. You have learnt many words there. So 3 we have tried. घर, nut, वक, 2 letter words. 3 अक्षरों से बनने वाले शब्द. मगर. Any 3 words you can write. बरस. सड़क. Like this you can write any 3 words which are made of 3 letters. मगर, बरस, सड़क. 4 अक्षरों से बनने वाले 3 शब्द, शलगम, ओके, टमटम, हॉर्स कैब, अजगर, means python. Like this you have to write when the question is given, 2 अक्षरों से बनने वाले 3 शब्द लिखिए, means write 3 words which are made of 2 letters. बिना मात्रा के शब्द 3, घर, नट, वक. 3 अक्षरों से बनने वाले 3 शब्द लिखिए. Write 3 words made up of 3 letters. मगर, बरस, सड़क. 4 अक्षरों से बनने वाले 3 शब्द लिखिए. Write 3 words consisting of 4 letters. Shalgam, Tumtum, Ajgar. Okay, children? Okay, let us see in the next page, in the next exercise, matching exercise is given. उदाहरण के अनुसार जोड़िए. On the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are there. Yes. Let me write that exercise there on the board, children. Look at this exercise, children. On the left side there are Hindi words given, on the right side there are English meanings given for these words. You have to match. One example is given there. Rath means chariot. Like this it is written. Now remaining we have to match. Padh means what? Padh means what? Read. Okay? Sadak means what? Road. Like that you have to match. Magar means crocodile. Shalgam means turnip. Daftar means office. Like this you have to match the exercise as shown in the example. उदाहरण के अनुसार जोड़िए means match the following as shown. First one is given there. Rath means chariot. Padh means read. Sadak means road. Magar means crocodile. Shalgam means turnip. Daftar means office. Okay, the next page, children, let us see. There are some pictures here you can see. By looking at these pictures, चित्र देखकर उसके नाम लिखो. Means what? Look at the pictures and write their names below. Here there is a space. There are lines given in under every picture. You have to write their names. Okay, children? Look at this. What is this first one? Null. Means a tap. Ma, mother. Like that, by looking at the pictures, you have learnt all these in the previous classes. By looking at the pictures, you have to write the names of these words in the space provided. Okay? I think you can write that, children. Look at the pictures carefully and identify those pictures, write their names. In the next exercise, Jodo. Again, there is a match the following exercise given. Yes, children, now you see there is a matching exercise. There are numbers given there for the Hindi words. Number 1, phal. And you have to write the meaning of that word by looking at the letters. These letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. You have to write there in the brackets. For this phal means fruit. What is that letter there? Under which it is written C. So you have to write C here. Phal means fruit. Kalam, pen, means what is that letter there? H. Batak means a duck. Where is that word? J. Look at this, J, duck. Shalgam, turnip. Where is turnip? I. Look at this. This is the meaning, turnip. Magar, crocodile. Where is crocodile? B, letter B. Matar, P. Where is P? Sorry, this is G. This is G. This is H. Sorry, children. Matar means P. Vak means crane. Crane is A. Shahar, city. Where is city? Here. F. Adrak, ginger. Where is that? D. Ghar, house. Where is it? E. Like that you have tried the matching exercise by writing the letters of the meanings given in English there against these Hindi words in these brackets. Okay. Next, रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति उचित अक्षरों से Now children, let us see, रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति उचित अक्षरों से कीजिए. ఒక అక్షరం ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ, there is one letter given there, remaining one letter only you have tried there to make meaningful words. Okay, let us see that on the board now. Okay children, in this there are only one letter, two letters are given there, three letters. The other letter we have tried to make it a meaningful word. Ra followed by what? Rath. Then you get the correct word there. Ik. Sada, ka, sadak. Like that. Khabar, khabar. Tharma, sa, thermos. Like that, the last one letter you have tried to make meaningful words. Hal, plow. Bargad, banyan tree. Khatmal, bedbug. Baraf means ice. Shalgam, turnip. See, by adding that one letter there at the end in the blank, you get the 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words that we have learnt in this lesson. Rath, eek, sadak, khabar, thermos, hal, bargad, khatmal, baraf, shalgam. Okay children, with that we come to the end of the lesson. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.